Welcome to our tutorial on how to bake a delicious cake from scratch. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your baking skills. The first step is to gather all the necessary ingredients. You will need flour, sugar, eggs, baking powder, milk, and butter. Make sure you have everything ready before you start. Next, preheat your oven to 350 F, 175 C. This will ensure that your cake bakes evenly and rises properly. In two separate bowls, mix the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, and baking powder, in one bowl, and the wet ingredients, eggs, milk, and melted butter, in another bowl. Now, combine the dry and wet mixtures together and stir until you have a smooth batter. Make sure there are no lumps. Grease a cake pan with butter or cooking spray, then pour the batter into the pan. Make sure to spread it evenly. Bake the cake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool completely before frosting or decorating.